Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best step stools in 2020 that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Best Choice Folding Steel 3-Step Stool Ladder Tool Equipment for Indoor. Our first step stool is a simple steel design with anti-skid rubber feet. It's lightweight and folds for easy storage. The steel is durable and rust-proof, so you're investing in a tool you'll have for a long time. It's rated for personal and light professional use. It has an attached tray at the top so you can use it for projects like painting or household repairs. The tray is about a square foot, as are the steps. It has 3 steps with heights at just over 9 inches, just over 18 inches, and just over 26 inches. It holds up to 330 pounds. The handle at the top is plastic and a little flimsy. Also, the rubber pieces on the bottom tend to fall off after some use. Also, be gentle when you step up on the ladder. Moving on at number 4, we have Home Basics 2-Stair Step Stool. Rubbermaid's 2-step stool is an ultra-lightweight choice if you want a middle ground between the 1 step and the 3 steps on the list. It's made of molded plastic, so there aren't any heavy, sharp edges like those of metal. It's simple to store but has a 300-pound weight capacity. This one is for quick household tasks like reaching the top portions of cabinets or dusting areas of the ceiling you can't typically reach. No slip pads on the feet and steps secure your weight and keep the stool from harming floors. At number 3, we have Jeronic 11-inch plastic folding step stool. If you don't need much, just a little extra height, a folding step stool might be the right choice. This one is a single step design that folds flat for storage. It's molded plastic, so it's very lightweight. You can open it using only one hand, which is great for when you're in the middle of a project. It may be small, but it can hold up to 300 pounds. It's one of the more versatile stools on the list, so it's suitable for small spaces. It gives you an extra foot or so in height, and the step is about 15 by 12 inches. We like this stool for areas where you need portability, such as an RV or maybe a closet space. At number 2, we have Little Partners Toddler and Adult Step-Up Stool. Little Partners stool is a safe way to get kids involved in more household activities. It has an adjustable height step and tall sides for stability. It's useful for allowing kids to reach the counter or other high places because the tall handles help prevent falls. It can also function as a seat or stool when you need extra seating for your children. It supports up to 250 pounds, so it's good even for older kids. It has non-slip treads on the bottom, and it's made of wood with non-toxic paints painted versions. It comes in a few different colors so you can match it to your decor. The tallest step is 15 inches high, and the handles reach about 35 inches. It's very sturdy, but it's massive. Wherever you put it, it's going to be in the way because it doesn't fold up for storage. Be aware of that trade-off. And finally at number 1. King's Brand Large Cherry Finish Wood Bedroom Step Stool. It's meant to give you a boost to your large bed or to help you reach things in the top of the closet, but it doesn't take away from your bedroom decor. It gives you storage space as well, which is nice because you can't tuck it away out of sight. It has a wood finish in a dark color that blends well with most bedroom decor. It has 2 small steps, one at about 8 inches and one at about 16. The steps are rectangular and a lower profile than traditional step stool steps. The weight capacity is about 200 pounds, so you don't have much wiggle room if you're a larger than average size.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.